Inspect the seating surface of the valve and the sealing part of the valve seat on the cylinder head to determine the seating condition of the valve. Replace or recondition the valve seat when the valve seating surface is rough or uneven. Recondition the valve seat when the valve stem installed height is within the service limit. The valve stem installed height is the distance between the cylinder head surface to the top of the valve stem, with the valve installed in the cylinder head and closed. Please refer to the shop manual for the service limit. Use a commercially available valve seat cutter for reconditioning a valve seat. A valve seat cutter utilizes the valve guide hole in order to place the cutter precisely at the center. Prior to the procedure, therefore, it's important to measure the valve stem-to-guide clearance and check that the value is within the service limit. Clean a valve seat and surrounding area with great care. Remove any carbon deposits using a cleaning chemical. Since resurfacing is performed to re-establish a precisely finished, tight seal between a valve and valve seat, the operations must be performed carefully. First, use a 45-degree cutter to resurface. Carefully cut a valve seat, removing only enough material to ensure a smooth and concentric seat. Apply force consistently to the valve seat cutter during use. Keep varying the position at which you stop each turning of the cutter. Before beveling, refer to the shop manual for the seat width. Bevel the upper edge of the seat with a 30-degree cutter. Then, bevel the lower edge of the seat with a 60-degree cutter. Measure the valve seat width and check that the value is within the service limit. Make one more light cut with a 45-degree cutter to remove burrs. Inspect the valve for even seating and seating position. Apply Prussian blue compound to the seating surface of the valve seat. Insert the valve in the guide and then lift it against the valve seat 2 to 3 times. Pull out the valve from the guide and check. The actual valve seating surface should contact evenly with the valve seat all the way around, and the position should be located on the center of the seat width. If it's too high, that is, closer to the valve stem, make a second cut with a 60-degree cutter to move it down. Then, one more cut with a 45-degree cutter to restore seat width. If it's too low, that is, closer to the valve edge, make a second cut with a 30-degree cutter to move it up. Then, one more cut with a 45-degree cutter to restore seat width. Now we are ready to move on to a lapping operation. Apply lapping compound evenly to the valve face and valve seat. Then lap the surfaces. Check the valve stem installed height. The value of the height should be within the service limit. Finally, perform a final lapping. Remove all swarf, lapping compound, Prussian blue, and other contamination. Apply engine oil to the seating surfaces of the valve and valve seat. And lap the surfaces again. A lapping operation has been properly done if the actual seating surfaces are polished around the entire periphery.